This fashion-forward hoodie features a realistic 3D digital print design, bringing a unique and eye-catching look. It comes with a drawstring hood, long sleeves, and a front large pocket, perfect for keeping your hands warm or carrying small items. Occasions. Ideal for a variety of occasions, including sports, parties, dates, traveling, and more. This hoodie makes a great gift for family and friends, especially for teenagers or couples. It's also a perfect choice for Halloween parties. Material. Made from a blend of polyester and spandex, this hoodie offers a soft and stretchy feel. The quick-dry fabric is comfortable and breathable, ensuring all-day comfort. With its high-quality construction, this hoodie is resistant to fading, cracking, peeling, or flaking, keeping it looking great wear after wear.